Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to run Python code in Visual Studio Code. Yes, still there are a lot of people don't know how to run Python program in VS Code. Let's see how to do it. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. The first step is you have to download Visual Studio Code and Python. I have also given the download pages links on this article. Just open the download pages. I am using Windows 10 64-bit version. When I click the download for Windows button, it will automatically start to download Visual Studio Code. It will take some time to download, please wait. VS Code is successfully downloaded. Now I am going to download Python. As you can see that the Python is successfully downloaded. Now I am going to install Visual Studio Code and Python. I am going to install Visual Studio Code first. Accept the agreement, then click the next button again and again. Finally click the install button. Visual Studio Code is successfully installed. Now I am going to install Python. In this window, you have to tick add Python to path option. It is mandatory. Don't forget to tick add Python to path option. Then click the install now button. Python is installing. Python is successfully installed. Now I am going to create new Python program using Visual Studio Code. I am going to open Visual Studio Code. Then now I am going to open the project folder which I have already created for Python projects. As you can see that there is a folder called Python. You can see that there is no files inside this folder. I just opened the empty project folder. Now I am going to create a new file. Then I am going to save the file as app.py. Then don't forget to choose save as type as all files. You can use any name whatever you want. Instead of app you can use main, any other index, but the extension must be .py. It is successfully saved. Now I am going to print a message called welcome to codingdiksha.com. That's it. Now I am going to check whether the Python is successfully installed or not. For that I am going to use command prompt. You have to type this command python space hyphen version. Python space hyphen version. This command will return the installed Python version. If the Python is not installed, then it will return an error, right? Using this command you can check whether the Python is installed on your computer or not. Okay. Now I am going to run this Python file in VS Code. Actually you can run Python file using three ways. The first way is you can use terminal. I am in the project directory, so I just click the terminal and new terminal. It will open the project directory. You can see that the path. Now I am going to use this command python space app.py. App means file name. If you are using index, then you have to type python space index.py. When I click the enter button, you can see that the message is successfully printed. Welcome to codingdiksha.com. Right. The second method is you have to right click on the text editor. Then you have to click run code option. When you click that, you can see that the message is successfully printed. Welcome to codingdiksha.com. The third method is you have to install an extension called Python, which is very useful for Python developers. Now I am going to install the Python extension. Actually it will automatically align your Python code. Then it is used for IntelliSense, linting, debugging, etc. So I suggest everyone to install Python extension. It is installing, please wait. Yeah, it is successfully installed. You can see that the interpreter is successfully selected, Python 3.10.0. If it is not showing here, then you have to click here, then choose the correct interpreter. It's successfully selected. When I click when I right click on the text editor, you can see that there is so many options showing now. You have to click run Python file in terminal option. When I click that, you can see that welcome to codingdiksha.com. The message is successfully printed. I hope this video tutorial helps you to run Python program in VS Code. If you face any issues, then don't worry, please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more updates about Python, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.